Hey everybody, so I'm kind of new to this YouTube thing, so I'm learning though. I forget when I'm videoing to do the introduction and the thank you video. So this is my introduction video. Please forgive that it's after Christmas, it's after New Year's, but nonetheless, I have been working on this thing forever. I'm not that great at editing, so I hope you enjoy. I hope it's as entertaining to you as it was making the video. All right, this is the adventure of finding a Christmas tree for Mighty Mom and Mighty Dad, which is an adventure every year. All right, love y'all. So we're out Christmas tree shopping at the farmer's market. $70, $80. Oh no, not for a tree.
I know that.
Not Google Ernest Stafford. Let's see how much these. How much is that?
This one's 70. Man, we finna go to goddamn what?
We finna go to Walmart. How much this little rinky-dink tree? It's got to be about 45. Oh, 65 for that tree. 65 for this tree right here. What's wrong with these people now? How much is that one? That's got to be 25 for that one.
It ain't even no 7 for it. Come on, let's go.
We ain't even looking no more. We ain't even gonna look no more. We disappointed already. These are they trees. $75 for a tree. I'm gonna plant my own Christmas tree next year. I'm talking about, look at here. Ooh, that one probably $100 right there. Look at that. Get on back in the car. They want $75 for their 5-foot tree. Y'all lost y'all marbles this year. It's a tree. So we out Christmas tree shopping for the Mighty Mom and Mighty Dad household. He looked. Oh no, he's smiling. We might. No, he walking back toward the car. All right, well let's do this thing. What a tree man. You think we can talk him down to a lower
price? Yeah, that white man ain't hearing that.
He
was just right there.
I know, I saw him. He
was
what did he say?
His shit, he said, it's cold. That's what he said.
He want to make this set. Come on, let's get out and talk to him. Let me see. Huh?
We ain't going on down bargaining. Just get the tree and go.
Okay, well, let's get the tree and let's go. Which one we going to get? The $60 one?
I don't know. But you can get out and look at them to see.
Let me go look. Let me see.
He might give you a discount because you're white.
Yeah, he ain't see me get out this black man car. Let's see if he gonna give me a deal. Let me walk back in the back, so I hope he ain't see me get out, y'all. Y'all think this? Oh, it's a cat. Look at that. I hate cats. Okay, let's see. Well, tree man, where you at? I don't want to deal with no female. They don't give me deals. Okay, let's see. Hey, I'm good. How are you?
Cold.
I know it. Where your gloves? Your hat?
I don't wear no gloves. I can't tie my knots.
Oh, okay. Okay, which one? This one? Oh, that ain't bad. Okay. I don't know if we got enough ornaments for it, but...
How we don't? All the ornaments
all right, well, let's run it. All right, Mr. Tree Man, we're gonna get you out. What time y'all close?
I'm hoping pretty soon.
Okay, well, all right, I think we're gonna take $60 one.
This one right here?
Yeah.
You guys want to pull your vehicle on around?
Yeah.
Probably cut them, let them a little bit and warm at the bottom.
He's struggling. Okay.
Is this yours? Are you taking these?
Oh, no.
Okay, because he just said I could have some.
All right. Help yourself.
The more you take, the less we haul.
What you gonna do with them?
Man, take as many as you want.
Man, take as many as you want.
You must got some
Oh, Lord, I'm about to step on the
must got
chair.
some decorations.
It's easy. You do this and you don't have to buy any decor. You just lay the pine boughs out.
Oh, listen for the day.
All right, if you want to
Just some
bottom ones, you want to bottom off.
All right, let's see.
I would see, I'd say. That sounds great.
Run
That's
it.
all right with you?
Yep, that's fine.
All right.
Oh, there you go. There you go. I told you. You were mighty dad. We're mighty mom. Let's go look for it. So y'all got a $30 tree? Mr. Christmas man. Y'all got a $30 tree?
I don't think so.
Mighty dad over here tripping. Fresh cut. Yeah. Yeah, take it on off. Say what, y'all. Gotta keep that.
The man was talking about the bark. You talking about fresh.
No, I know what he meant. Because you put that in the water, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Know a little something.
Oh, that's fine right there. I can't there.
Okay.
Is this going in the truck over there?
Yep. Yep.
Should be easy enough.
Oh, they no critters crawled up in here, have they?
There might be we have a rat problem here.
No, you don't. Yeah, you better. Okay, what's your name? I need you to shake that tree out. We ain't taking nothing but the tree away from farmers market now. We ain't taking.
We had here. They had rabies, didn't they? The rats we saw here.
Y'all can keep y'all's mice.
The ones that were in here.
Oh, there you
The ones that
go.
were in here.
That must be Daddy. Oh, they just alike.
He's the one that got salad on.
Oh, y'all can keep y'all's little critters here now. We don't want to take them.
There might be one in here.
It better not be. Y'all better shake this
I
tree.
brought my pet snake to get rid of them rats.
Oh, Lord.
Hey, now that'll work, though. That'll definitely work. Yeah. Hold up, you're dragging the fly. Oh, he's showing over here.
Oh, you got it.
Yeah.
I keep telling them, put the fly in the bucket back in. Listen to me.
They won't listen, will they?
I just had to go pick that string up all the way to the end of that building down there.
Oh, no.
They drug it that far with the vehicle. I ain't lying, I've had to go get it.
I bet you did.
Sucks having to wind all that back up.
No, right?
Okay, how we going to pay? Y'all take cards, cat food stamps? Y'all
Cash
take
check, so all we use, cash or check.
no food stamps?
No, we don't do no
card?
food. We don't do cards. We don't have no way to read them.
Oh,
all I got's a damn flip phone. See, they don't do flip phone.
He's got a, this for my YouTube channel, so okay.
Yeah, see this?
Lord, somebody still has a flip phone. Is that real?
It really
Lord,
works.
And it works just as fine.
I like it.
I don't blame you. Don't you upgrade. They
No,
will kill you.
No.
They will beat
I've
your
had the
pockets.
i5 and the i6 and I break them.
And he went right back
It's
to the
here,
flip
this little
phone. There
flip
you
phone,
go. And
I
it's
fit
just
right here in my pocket and it's indestructible.
and it's sturdy and all, ain't it? Oh, that's right.
I like it.
I'm telling you, I love my Razor phone. If I could keep it, I would. I think I got $20. You got it? Mighty Dad, you got it? Mighty Dad got money today.
All right. What was it?
60, wasn't it?
$30. $30.
Oh! Wait a minute. The baker's coming.
You made a bigger.
He said y'all had a,
baby.
he said y'all had a special. Wait a minute now. He said y'all had a special after 6 o'clock.
Oh!
It was half off.
All right. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. Y'all have a happy
Thank
holiday
you.
now.
Merry
All right.
Merry Christmas to you. Remember the young brother.
You enjoy that flip phone. All right. All right. So we found a tree, y'all. Huh?
That's a pretty big tree.
I know it. Let me bang. Okay, so we found a tree, but now we can't even get it off. Can you see the tree? That's the tree. Christmas tree. But we can't even take it off the truck yet because we had an artificial tree and Mighty Dad didn't want to keep the artificial tree up. So now we got to take it down.
Tell it was taller than you. I mean, you were taller than
He said I was taller than the tree. So we don't want that tree. So now we got to take it down and make room for the real tree.